Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about relationship functions which are available in Power BI. So there are a couple of relationship functions which are available in Power BI. So relationship function allows you to access field within the DAX measures or calculated column through either physical or virtual relationship between the tables. So what does it mean? It means that suppose we want to create a measure or we want to create a calculated column and we want to access the field which are present in other table, but there is a relationship between those tables. So with the help of a relationship function, we can able to access fields within the DAX measures or calculated column through either a physical with the help of a DAX relationship function. And the relationship could be physical relationship as well as the virtual relationship. Either will work. But with the help of a DAX relationship function, we can able to access field which are present in other table whenever we are going to write the DAX measures or calculated columns. So there are some DAX relationship functions, that is related is one of the function, related table is another function, use relationship is another function, cross filter is another function, treat as is another function. So these are the 5 DAX relationship functions which are available in Power BI. I will going to discuss each and every function in detail in my coming videos. So let's discuss about some use cases. The first use case, defining calculated column or measures using field from the related table. So suppose we have a table, right? Suppose we have a table known as a AP sales by store table, and we want to create a calculated column, and the name of the column is present in AP customer sales AP customer lookup table, but there is a relationship, right? So with the help of a related function, we can able to fetch column from other table and create the calculated column. Same will going to happen in the measures, like right, if you are writing a measure and we want to do certain kind of a calculation, and if you want to use another column which is present in different table, but there is a relationship. So with the help of a related function, this function we can able to do it. Handling relationship between calendar and multiple data field, transaction, stock, due date, etc. So whenever there is a requirement to handle relationship between calendar or multiple date fields, no, then with the help of this relationship function we can able to do it. So whenever we are creating a report in a big organization, so this calendar table will play a very important role, and there are multiple dates field which are associated with the different tables which has a relationship with the calendar table. So whenever we are going to access the column within all from all the different tables within a calendar table which has a relationship, then with the help of a relationship function we can able to achieve it. Traveling inactive relationship in the model or modifying relationship the filter behavior. So suppose whenever we are creating a data model, we create a relationship between table, but we can at a one time we can there must be only one active relationship. We can also create a passive relationship as well, and when there is a requirement that in the DAX during the time of creation of the DAX or creation of a calculated measures to use the inactive relationship. Then with the help of a use relationship function, whatever the inactive relationship it exists in the data model, we can use that inactive relationship. Defining calculated virtual relationship when physical relationship are not possible due to table granularity. So let's consider one scenario. We have a data model. There are multiple tables are associated with it, but due to some condition or due to some table granularity, it is not possible to create relationship between these two tables. But during the creation of a measure or during the creation of a calculated table, we want that there must be a relationship associated between these two tables, and these two tables don't have any relationship into the during the creation of data model. Then with the help of a treat as with the help of a treat as relationship, we can create a virtual relationship between these two tables. Let's discuss about this cross filter. Okay, whenever we are creating a relationship in the data model, so the relationship flow is one directional. Most of the time it is one to many. But during the creation of a DAX measure or during the creation of a calculated column, there is a requirement to reverse the flow from many to one side. Whenever such kind of a requirement is there, then with the help of a cross filter relationship function, we can able to do it. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.